We've previously covered how to target your ads to a customer search with keyword match type. Now let's learn how you can keep your ads out of specific customer searches with negative keywords and create more effective sponsored products campaigns. For example, let's say you sell eyeglasses and bid on the keyword glasses. You wouldn't want your ad to show up when a customer searches for wine glasses. Once you add wine as a negative keyword, your product ad will not appear to a shopper who searches the keyword wine glasses. Negative keywords can be included at the ad group level for automatic or manual campaigns. Make sure that the negative keywords you choose make sense for all the ads in your ad group. You can add negative keywords with phrase or exact match type. To add negative keywords in your campaign manager, choose the campaign and ad group to which you want to add the negative keyword. Click on the Keyword tab. Within the Keyword tab, go to Negative Keywords. Enter one keyword per line and select the match type. Let us take the case of Rahul, who is a seller of men's casual shoes, formal shoes and running shoes, but not football shoes. To not show his ads to shoppers looking for football shoes, he adds the keyword football shoes as a negative phrase. Once he does that, his ads will not show to any shopper searching with the search term men's football shoes black, and so on. Negative phrases will block any search that contains the phrase and close variations of the phrase, such as additional keywords added before or after the phrase. If Rahul adds football shoes as negative exact, his ads will not show to shoppers only searching with the exact words football shoes. For both phrase and exact match types, close variations will also match, such as the plural form of the words. Try starting with an exact match unless you are sure that the unwanted keyword is likely to show up as a part of search phrase. Once added to your campaign, negative keywords can take effect immediately. They help focus your campaign to avoid unwanted impressions and improve your advertising performance. In this manner, you can save on ad spends and improve your advertising cost of sales. Continue watching our next video to learn about how to use the search term report to identify high and low performing customer search terms to better your sponsored products performance.